Hi, everyone. Today we will learn English through an inspiring story. This story will help you improve your English speaking, vocabulary, and sentence understanding in a simple and easy way. Listen carefully and learn step by step as the story unfolds. If you enjoy learning English through stories, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and stay with us till the end. Early life and playing style. Virat Kohli, born on 5 November 1988, is an Indian international cricketer and a former captain of the Indian national team in all formats. He is a right-handed batter and occasionally bowls right-arm medium pace. Over the years, people began calling him the King, the Chase Master, and the Run Machine because of his consistency, hunger for runs, and match-winning ability. Many consider him one of the greatest all-format batsmen in cricket history. Records and batting greatness. Kohli holds the record for the most centuries in one-day internationals and has the second highest number of international centuries overall, with 8,400s across formats. He is also the highest run scorer in the Indian Premier League. He is the only batter to achieve 900-plus rating points in all three formats, a rare mark of excellence. Captaincy and leadership. As a Test captain, Kohli became India's most successful leader with the highest number of wins. Under his captaincy, India retained the Test mace 3 times in a row, showing strong dominance in the longest format of the game. World Cup and team success. Kohli first gained attention as the captain of India's under-19 team that won the 2008 World Cup. Later, he played key roles in India's victories at the 2011 ODI World Cup, 2013 Champions Trophy, 2024 T20 World Cup, and 2025 Champions Trophy. He represents Royal Challengers Bengaluru in the IPL and Delhi in domestic cricket. Rise to number 1. In 2013, Kohli became the number 1 ranked ODI batter. He achieved the top spot in T20Is in 2015. In 2018, he reached number 1 in tests, becoming the only Indian player to be ranked number 1 in all 3 formats. He was also the first player to score 20,000 international runs within a single decade and was named Cricketer of the Decade from 2011 to 2020. Awards and honors. Kohli has won 10 ICC awards, the most by any player. He received the ODI Player of the Year award 4 times and the Cricketer of the Year award twice. In 2018, he made history by winning Cricketer of the Year, ODI Player of the Year, and Test Player of the Year in the same year. He was later honored with the Spirit of Cricket Award and named Cricketer of the Decade. He was also Wisden's leading cricketer in the world for 3 consecutive years. Recognition and influence. Kohli has earned the most Player of the Series awards and the second most Player of the Match awards across formats. He received the Arjuna Award, Padma Shri, and India's highest sporting honor, the Khel Ratna. In 2018, Time magazine listed him among the 100 most influential people in the world. By 2022, he had become one of the most commercially successful athletes with major annual earnings. Retirement and personal life. After winning the 2024 T20 World Cup and earning Player of the Match in the final, Kohli announced his retirement from T20 internationals. In May 2025, at the age of 36, he retired from Test cricket as well. Off the field, he is married to actress Anushka Sharma, and they have 2 children, Vamika and Akai. Early life. Virat Kohli was born on 5 November 1988 in Delhi into a Punjabi Hindu family. His mother, Saroj Kohli, is a homemaker, and his father, Prem Nath Kohli, was a criminal lawyer. He has an elder brother, Vikas, and an elder sister, Bhavna. Kohli grew up in Uttam Nagar and studied at Vishal Bharti Public School. From a very young age, Kohli showed a deep love for cricket. At just 3 years old, he would pick up a bat and ask his father to bowl to him. Seeing his passion, his father enrolled him at the West Delhi Cricket Academy in 1998, where he trained under coach Raj Kumar Sharma. Neighbors also encouraged his family to take his talent seriously, believing he deserved more than street cricket. Kohli initially failed to get selected for Delhi's under-14 team due to non-cricketing reasons. Despite offers to move him to influential clubs, his father refused. Kohli later earned a place in the under-15 team and continued training with discipline. To support his cricket journey, he changed schools to Xavier Convent School during 9th grade. On 18 December 2006, Kohli's father passed away due to a cerebral attack. This moment changed him deeply. According to his mother, Kohli became more focused and serious about cricket, dedicating himself completely to the game. His family lived in Paschim Vihar until 2015 before moving to Gurgaon. Youth career. Delhi team. Kohli began his junior cricket career in October 2002, playing against Himachal Pradesh. He scored his first domestic half-century with 70 runs against Haryana. By the end of the season, he was Delhi's highest run scorer. In the 2003-2004 season, he captained Delhi's under-15 team and scored his maiden century of 119 against Jammu and Kashmir. His strong performances continued and he soon moved up to the under-17 team. In the Victoria Merchant Trophy, he impressed everyone with a massive unbeaten 251 runs, showing maturity beyond his age. During the 2005-2006 season, Kohli played some of his most memorable innings. He scored 227 runs against Punjab and followed it with 228 in the semi-final against Baroda, keeping a promise he had made to his coach. Delhi went on to win the tournament, with Kohli finishing as the highest run scorer. In February 2006, he made his List A debut, and later that year, he made his first-class debut in the Ranji Trophy. In a match against Karnataka, Kohli showed remarkable courage by returning to bat the day after his father's death, scoring a fighting 90 runs. His innings helped Delhi avoid the follow-on and earned praise from teammates and coaches. Kohli entered T20 cricket in 2007 and soon became a key performer. In domestic matches, he continued to score consistently, including a memorable 197 in the Nisar Trophy and strong performances in the Ranji Trophy, proving his growing dominance. India Under-19 team. In 2006, Kohli was selected for India's Under-19 Tour of England, where he performed exceptionally well in both ODIs and tests. His technique and ability to handle pace and spin impressed the coaching staff. Later that year, on tour in Pakistan, Kohli played important innings that helped India win the series. In early 2007, he scored a century against New Zealand Under-19s and continued to grow as a dependable batter. Though he faced some quiet series, he made strong comebacks with big scores, showing resilience. Under-19 World Cup success. Kohli rose to national attention in 2008 when he captained India to victory in the Under-19 World Cup in Malaysia. He scored 235 runs in the tournament and played a memorable century against West Indies, which was praised as the best innings of the competition. His leadership and all-round contributions guided India to lift the trophy. Path to international cricket. After the World Cup, Kohli received the Border Gavaskar Scholarship, allowing him to train in Australia. He also represented India emerging players, where a brilliant century against New Zealand further highlighted his talent. With consistent performances and strong temperament, Kohli soon earned his place in the senior Indian team, marking the beginning of his international journey. International career, the beginning. Virat Kohli's international journey began in August 2008 when he was just 19 years old. he received a surprise call-up to India's ODI squad for the Sri Lanka tour. Due to injuries to senior players, he opened the batting and soon scored his first international half-century. Although he showed promise, his place in the team was not fixed in the early years. Early struggles and breakthrough. After spending time with India A, Kohli scored a century against Australia in a tour match, which caught attention. The real turning point came in 2009 during the Emerging Players Tournament in Australia. Kohli finished as the top run scorer and sealed the final with a century. This performance earned him a strong return to the national team. Later that year, he scored his first ODI century against Sri Lanka and became one of the youngest Indians to score multiple ODI hundreds. Establishing himself 2010-2012. In 2010, Kohli was named vice-captain and became the fastest Indian to reach 1,000 ODI runs. After a brief dip in form, he finished the year as India's highest ODI run scorer. He played a key role in India's 2011 World Cup victory, scoring a century in his debut World Cup match and contributing in the final. His Test debut came in 2011, but early struggles saw him dropped. He made a strong comeback in 2012, scoring his maiden Test century in Australia and producing memorable ODI innings, including big knocks against Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Rise as a match winner and leader, 2013-2014. By 2013, Kohli had become the backbone of India's batting, especially in run chases. He played an important role in India's Champions Trophy win and captained India for the first time later that year. Despite a tough England tour, in 2014 he bounced back strongly. After MS Dhoni stepped down, Kohli became India's full-time Test captain and responded with record-breaking performances in Australia. The same year, he was named Man of the Tournament at the T20 World Cup. Peak years and record-breaking phase, 2015 to 2019. Kohli began the 2015 World Cup with a century against Pakistan. Although India fell short later, he soon led India to a Test series win in Sri Lanka. Between 2016 and 2018, Kohli reached the peak of his career. He was player of the tournament at the 2016 T20 World Cup, scored multiple double centuries in Tests, and broke several batting records. In 2018, he became the world's #1 Test batter and led India to their first ever Test series win in Australia. By 2019, he was India's most successful Test captain. Lean phase and leadership exit, 2020 to 2022. After scoring his 70th international century in 2019, Kohli went through a long period without hundreds. From 2020 to 2022, his form dipped, and he stepped down as captain in all formats. This phase tested his patience and resilience, but he remained committed to his comeback. Comeback and final international years, 2022 to 2025. Kohli's return to form began in the 2022 Asia Cup, where he scored his first T20I century. He was the highest run scorer at the 2022 T20 World Cup and played a memorable knock against Pakistan. His finest resurgence came in the 2023 World Cup, where he scored 765 runs and was named Player of the Tournament, breaking long-standing records. In 2024, he played a match-winning knock in the final and announced his retirement from T20 internationals. In 2025, he played a key role in India's Champions Trophy win and later announced his retirement from Test cricket. Franchise career. Early IPL years. Virat Kohli joined Royal Challengers Bangalore in the inaugural IPL season in 2008. His early years were challenging, with inconsistent performances and limited opportunities. However, he gradually found his footing and became a regular contributor to the team. Growth as captain and star performer. By 2011, Kohli had become a central figure for Bangalore and was later appointed captain. Over the years, he produced several match-winning innings and carried the team's batting. Despite ups and downs, he remained loyal to the franchise and continued to perform at a high level. Historic 2016 season. The 2016 IPL season became the defining chapter of Kohli's franchise career. He scored a record 973 runs, including 4 centuries, and won the Orange Cap and MVP award. Bangalore reached the final but narrowly missed the title. Challenges and consistency, 2017 to 2022. In the following seasons, Kohli faced mixed results as captain and batter. Injuries, team imbalance, and dips in form affected Bangalore's progress. Despite criticism and pressure, he delivered key innings and crossed major personal milestones. Strong finish and first IPL title, 2023 to 2025. From 2023 onwards, Kohli returned to top form in the IPL, scoring centuries and leading from the front. In 2024, he won the Orange Cap again with consistent performances. The 2025 season became historic as Bangalore won their first ever IPL title. Kohli played a crucial role in the final, ending an 18-year wait and achieving his first IPL championship with the franchise. Playing style. Virat Kohli is known as a modern, fearless batsman with strong technique and sharp cricketing sense. He usually bats at number 3 in ODI cricket, standing with a slightly open stance and a firm grip on the bat. His quick footwork and wide range of shots allow him to control an innings, especially in pressure situations. Kohli prefers playing grounded shots rather than risky big hits. He's famous for his wrist work, especially through mid-wicket and cover. The cover drive is his favorite and most admired shot. He's also naturally strong at playing the flick shot, particularly on balls aimed at the leg stump. He rarely uses the sweep shot and instead focuses on finding gaps and rotating the strike. His bat speed and flexible wrists help him play innovative shots and disturb field settings. Along with batting, Kohli is an excellent fielder, known for fast reflexes and safe hands. Weaknesses. Despite his strengths, Kohli has a known weakness against balls delivered outside the off stump. Bowlers often target this area, especially in tests and ODIs, and it has led to his dismissal many times. He's also considered vulnerable to outswinging deliveries, a point noted by former cricketers.